PCC. They got a T1 blob with a command man.
Come on, bring your feathery ass here.
Careful, Canadian.
Well, it's cool that they can't die.
Explosion caused that.
Dual swords and soldier boots.
I mean, we gotta kill these people first.
Bring royal jackets.
Shit, I mean, I'm a Camlet tank, so. Their trunk.
Thing moves.
Shifting.
No, I got a Brimstone here in STEM if you come here.
Yo, can we all pause the movie? Can we all pause the movie?
Yeah.
Pause.
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 Am I recalling
Pause.
it?
Bam.
Pause.
That was a good call. I have a Brimstone. I'm ready to go.
Now everybody knows who has it, so that motherfucker tries to
Can't-
leave. Which
can't
is
have-
now.
Canna.
Can we keep that bitch in combat?
Dude, I've been
Never.
hitting.
Someone bring me a set of dual sword.
Yo, Ish has got a bunch.
What are y'all
You
doing?
gotta leave party and join this one.
You can't zone.
Yo, drop everything northeast on him. Drop everything northeast on him. Everything we got, boys. Everything we got. Stay on this fucking retard.
Poisons if you got.
Yeah, if you have a poison, throw it on this guy.
How did I
Yeah.
zone first?
He's zoned.
Yo, stay on him. Stay on him. Stay on him.
The slow loader.
If you can mount up. If you can mount up. Stay on this guy.
Where did they zone? Northeast
When he
shifting?
uses his
Yeah,
sprint,
they're in
he'll
Leothan
lose his
Fissure.
bubble. So if you stay dismounted and walk with him, you can throw poison instantly to cancel the sprint, if you have one.
I have a poison. I'll check
Yeah,
it.
48 poison.
Alright, he already sprinted.
His sprints arc cooldowns are up, so we can just hit him.
Yo, he's a slow loader too, guys.
You can
He's a
walk
slow
with
loader
him.
too. Yo, cycle the poison. Cycle the poison. He's in a town plot zone. This guy's so stupid. I don't know why he even did this shit.
Ben.
Pen clock. Pen CLACH.
Okay.
I'm getting
Yo, Mac, dismount, Mac, dismount. You gotta hit him. He's half HP, guys.
He's tagged.
Keep him in combat. Guys.
I think I get a poison off.
Somebody mount and get ahead of him.
Get tagged.
He's in a fucking tunnel zone. This is fucked for him. Listen, we only need a couple people dismounting on him at once, right? Because we just need to keep him. We just need to keep him fucked up. So
He went up and around.
I'm gonna get a poison.
Alright, get on him.
Poison.
Yo, this guy's fucked.
Keep banging them.
He's on the backside.
What zone are you guys in?
Rocket did next to.
Tunnel rocket.
From
He's
what?
dead.
From what city plot? Our city plot?
Yeah.
He's turning back. He's going into a noob trap. He's going into a noob trap.
There's a way out. You
can go north. Mount up if you can. Mount up if you can. We went to the city plot north of shifting.
Someone poison him.
And then we went right.
You went through the
Oh,
tunnel.
Southeast.
Pen clock.
Stay
I'm
home
hitting
and
him
get ahead.
constantly.
Get to pen clock.
Yeah, make sure that there's no reds close when you guys kill him.
I'm gonna ignite him.
What the fuck was that?
I should get him with
Grove.
my next dual swords.
I'm about to dual sword his ass.
He's dismounted.
Get it.
Eat
Get it.
trash.
Trash.
Eat trash.
Fuck.